Hello everyone, the Foxern here, sitting in my car on a ferry right now, going over to Kingston. Yeah, this is interesting. I've had my license for all of 2 days and I'm already on a ferry. I'm sure there's an innuendo there somewhere. I'm sure there is. It's in there. It's in there. It's really bright. There's water. See, there it is. There's the water. It's really bright outside. Other people in cars. Lots of cars in front of me and lots of cars behind me. I'm somewhere in the middle, which is okay with me. Yeah, I'm fine with that. Anyways, I'm going to be announcing the winner of the contest, since that's pretty much it, the only reason why you're watching this, on next Friday, which is the whatever day that is. Next Friday there will be a vlog, and it will say who the winner is. So look forward to it. If you haven't already entered the contest, you can enter until the winner is chosen. So you can go and do that right now. I have to say, this has been quite nerve-wracking. I mean, not only did I get my driver's license, but I mean, that was awesome. I have my car, my little Daewoo. It's got a sunroof. It's got a sunroof. My little Daewoo. Door's a little wicky wonk, and sometimes the sunroof doesn't open all the way, but it's got its problems. It's little kinks and stuff, and yeah, light shift. But yeah, it feels good to be driving. I don't particularly like it, but it's really nice to just be able to go. To just go somewhere. I really wish I hadn't waited till I was 23, but then again, I didn't have a car until a month or two ago. So, anyways, yeah, now that I have a car, I'm taking trips and stuff and going places. I'm going places, people. And it feels good. Oh, man. It does feel good, though. I'm quite happy with it. I mean, I have a car, I have insurance, I have a driver's license, I have gas in my tank, which means I can go wherever I want, pretty much. It's a really long ferry ride. It's like half an hour. I'm just playing my DS. Wild Leaf! New Leaf! Oh. Animal Crossing. New Leaf. I was thinking the Wild World thingy. I was thinking of one of the last titles. I think that was the last one, wasn't it? I don't know. I don't remember. But anyways, yeah. Just pretty much just wanted to wanted to give an update on when the contest winner was going to be chosen, and it's this Friday, for those of you who didn't catch it the first 3 times that I said it. Yeah. But anyways, thank you for watching. Click, comment, rate, subscribe. I'm on a boat. Fox out.